it. Listen, babe, I don't like getting super soaked at the salon either, so let's take a moment and I'll show you the right way to get pooed. First thing, hang on to that towel with your life. That is your job, honey boo, because it will fall. Get them shoulders all the way up. I don't care how you do it. Push yourself up, and my shorties, put your dogs up and scoot your boo. Also, don't be surprised miss with those quick movements. Just relax. And we need to get under you. We're going to turn your chin. Make sure that's all the way over so we can get in there. And listen, I know we are gorgeous, gorgeous girls, but close your eyes or look away. And when we need to get under your head, you'll be too ready for me. The key is to not be completely dead weight, but let us get under there. Don't just be shooting up like that. Keep your head relaxed so we have enough pressure to really scrub. Now enjoy that massage. Now it's time to wrap you guys up. Y'all be just shooting forward, dragging me along with you. And you're going to get soaking wet if you do that, girl. So relax, pick up your head, let us dry you. We're going to do this little spinny spin movement here, and then just listen to us. We'll tell you, head up, and then we're going to tell you, sit all the way up. That's when we're going to bloop bloop, usually put you in the bun, but that's it.